Are you struggling to maintain weight loss, to lose weight and keep it off permanently? Well, then stay tuned for this video because I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 reasons women struggle to lose weight and also a solution and a clear path to the healthy, fit body that you want. My name is Krista Elizabeth and I help busy professional women to permanently transform their body, double their energy, feel better without missing out on delicious food. So the first reason why women struggle to lose weight and keep it off is because it's just not a part of their habits, right? There are some particular habits that you need to learn that you're not currently engaging in, okay? And truly sustainable weight loss is not about feeling tired or hungry all the time or suffering, okay? A really sustainable plan of action is something that should feel comfortable, you should feel satisfied, and you should enjoy what you're eating. And you should be able to get sustainable results, right? To lose weight on a consistent manner in a comfortable fashion. What allows you to accomplish this is just learning the health and fitness lifestyle, okay? Which is engaging in a certain number of habits that are gonna give you the results that you want. But if you don't currently know what those habits are, it can be confusing trying to figure out what is effective on your own, especially if you're someone who is busy, right? So number 1 is really learning the habits and the health and fitness lifestyle. The second reason women struggle to lose weight and keep it off is they do not have a clear plan of action. So how do you figure out what a clear plan of action is that you know is going to be effective when there's so much conflicting information available? You might wonder, should I be following the keto diet? Is fat bad for me? Are carbs bad for me? Is breakfast the most important meal of the day? Or should I be intermittent fasting? Or should I not eat past 6 p.m.? There's so much conflicting information available. If you're not an expert in this area, how do you figure it out? I totally understand how confusing this can be. And if you're already busy, you probably feel stuck. So having a clear plan of action that you know for sure is going to be effective, and if you just put in the time, you're going to get the results that you want over time, right? So it's really having a clear plan of action. So that's where hiring a professional comes in. Because if you're someone who is busy, there is so much conflicting information available, and it's just much easier to hire someone who knows what they're talking about so you can have a clear plan of action that you can just take action on and you don't have to think. That's the ultimate situation if you are someone who is busy, does not have a lot of time on their hands, but you really want to achieve truly sustainable weight loss so that you can feel better about your body and feel comfortable in your clothes, and also to increase your energy. So that is my next tip, having a clear plan of action that is outlined for you by a professional that's based on your needs, your individual body, your individual biochemistry, and also for your lifestyle and your likes and dislikes. The third reason women struggle to lose weight and keep it off for good is that they don't have accountability. So this just goes back to what I was talking about originally. If you are someone who is busy, you don't know what to do, you're confused by all of the conflicting information available, then really having a professional to not only give you a clear plan of action, but also to hold you accountable. This is one of the most valuable things that you can really seek out if your goal is to achieve permanent weight loss. Because in order to achieve permanent weight loss, there are some habits that you need to learn that you do not have cemented at the moment. So in order to cement those habits, you need to, number 1, figure out what are the habits? What is this clear plan of action that's going to give me the results that I want if I just put in the sets and reps? And then how can I stay accountable for long enough to see results? And for long enough to really build those habits. So you just become so consciously competent. Right now, you're consciously incompetent, right? You know you need help. You know that you need a clear plan of action, but you want to get to that state where you are consciously competent, where you know what to do. You already have cemented the habits, and it's not so much effort anymore because it's just a part of your lifestyle. So while you learn the habits, that's when it is so powerful to have accountability so that you don't have any outs. Because the truth is, the brain's tendency is to move away from pain and towards pleasure, right? So if you are someone who is new to learning the health and fitness lifestyle and you are tired at the end of the night, sometimes you don't feel like doing your workout, or you feel like ordering pizza because that's easy, right? Rather than making a healthier choice. Whereas if you have someone to hold you accountable, really someone to hold you to a higher standard while you're learning the habits, this is really going to help you stay on track while you learn the habits, okay? So accountability is so powerful, really someone to hold you accountable and hold you to a higher standard. So those are my 3 tips and the top 3 reasons why women struggle to lose weight and keep it off for good. Now, if you are someone who is really struggling to lose weight, keep it off for good, and you are confused about what you really need to do to get the permanent weight loss results that you want, then I am offering free 10-minute calls to answer your top 2 health, fitness, or weight loss questions. So if you want to jump on a quick free call with me, then click the link somewhere around this video. It's going to take you to my Facebook Messenger. Just say hi and we can set up a time that works well for both of us. So one more time, there's going to be a link somewhere around this video. Click the link. It's going to take you to my Facebook Messenger. Say hi and we can book a time that works well for both of us. Thank you so much for listening. Be sure to add me on Instagram. My Instagram handle's up on the screen now. Have an amazing day and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day and I will see you on the next one. Bye.